Imagine a world built for men, from crash test dummies to medication dosages. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality exposed by Caroline Criado Perez in her groundbreaking book, Invisible Women: Data Bias in a World Designed for Men. Perez isn't exaggerating. For decades, research and data collection have excluded women, leading to a pervasive gender bias that has real-world consequences. From faulty car safety features to ineffective medical treatments, women are paying the price for a world that doesn't take them into account. The book opens with a bang, highlighting the shocking fact that crash test dummies used in car safety testing were historically modeled after the male body. This means that safety features designed to protect men might not be as effective for women with different body shapes and sizes. This example sets the stage for Perez's exploration of the gender data gap. She delves into countless studies and statistics, uncovering a pattern of male bias across various fields. For instance, workplace temperature standards are often set based on a male metabolic rate, leaving women feeling constantly cold in office spaces. Invisible Women isn't just about physical safety and comfort. It exposes how gender bias in data can have a profound impact on women's health. Perez reveals that clinical trials for medications often lack sufficient female participants, leading to treatments that might have unintended side effects for women. The book goes beyond highlighting the problem. Perez delves into the root causes of the gender data gap. She exposes the unconscious assumptions that lead researchers to overlook the female experience. In some cases, there's a lack of awareness about the importance of including women in data collection. But Perez also points to a more sinister possibility: the deliberate exclusion of women to maintain the status quo. By keeping women invisible in data, some institutions might perpetuate existing inequalities. Invisible Women isn't a dry academic treatise. Perez uses humor, wit, and personal anecdotes to keep the narrative engaging. She shares stories of women who have been personally affected by gender bias in data, making the issue relatable and impactful. The book doesn't just point out problems, it offers solutions. Perez outlines ways to close the gender data gap. She calls for researchers to be more mindful of gender when designing studies. She urges institutions to collect data that accurately reflects the diversity of the population. Most importantly, Invisible Women is a call to action. It's a wake-up call for policymakers, scientists, and everyone in a position to influence the world around us. Perez urges us to consider the female experience and ensure that data reflects the reality of half the population. By making women visible in data, we can create a world that is safer, healthier, and more equitable for everyone. Invisible Women is a powerful and eye-opening book that challenges us to reimagine the world, not just for men, but for all.